there, it's Megan with WTI, and does it really matter what glasses we choose to drink our red wine from? For me personally, yes. Yes, it does. And I have really enjoyed drinking my favorite red wines lately from these Glaskey red wine glasses. I definitely prefer to drink wine from really generously sized glasses. Glasses of this size are ideal for drinking really full, robust, bold red wines, which are my personal favorites. These large glasses creates a nice big surface area on the wine, so it can get the maximum aeration, which results in better taste and smoother flavor. I find the combination of the lightweightness and the thin rim of these glasses makes them very pleasant for me to drink from them. The long stem is perfect for me because I've never really been one to drink from stemless wine glasses for two reasons. One is that I'm often eating at the same time as drinking wine, so my fingers can make the body of the glass kind of gross. Secondly, the heat from my fingers can affect the temperature of the wine in the glass, which is something that I do not want. Even though these glasses are on the taller side, I do find them to be quite stable, and I absolutely love the shape of them. They are so sleek and elegant. They are crystal clear and sparkling, just incredibly high quality glasses. I enjoy drinking from these Glaskey red wine glasses so much, whether it's for a fancier occasion or just for some cozy relaxing in the evening. These have quickly become my favorite wine glasses. But that's just my point of view.